got nothing to do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mercy. Please make sure to subscribe if you've not done that already, and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. I really appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I lay my edges and how I keep them laid for 24 hours. Basically, I'm going to be showing you my proven and tested 100% guaranteed method to lay your edges and keep them laid even to the next day. So I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks that I use to keep them that way. So let's get right into it. So I have my hair packed already, as you can see, and I'm going to be showing you the products that I use to lay my edges. So the first thing I have here is the hair wax. This is what it looks like. There's no brand name on it. Doesn't really have a brand name, just hair wax. Make your hair shine hair wax. That's basically this is what it looks like. This is the container. You can get any type of hair wax that you have. And then the next thing I have here is my hair petals, my petal styling gel. Basically a normal black styling gel. You can get these things from a local beauty supply store. And the next thing I have is my brush, my trusty toothbrush. So you can use any type of brush you have, as long as the bristles are not too hard and they're not too soft. So you can just use any type of brush you have. So yeah, these are the only things I need, just 3 items, and I'm good to go. So let me come closer and let's start. So let's begin. I'm closer to you guys now, and I have a mirror in front of me right here. So if I'm looking down, you know that because of my mirror I really can't see through the lens here. So I'm going to be taking my hair wax and I'm going to be taking the brush. Mind you, this hair wax leaves a white cast, like a kind of grayish white, like it looks dry kind of cast, and that is what the black gel is for. It's to prevent that cast from showing, or is to like cover up that white cast. So I'm going to be taking my brush and I'm going to be taking just a little amount of it. Just a little goes a long way. But depending on your hair type also, my hair is basically like almost straight, so it's not really, and it's very soft to handle. It's very soft to manipulate. Is that the English? To manipulate. But if your hair is like the rough type, trust me, this hair wax will also work for you. It works for all hair types. I've used it for other people and other people with like stiffer hairs or tougher hair types. I mean, for people with like harder to manipulate hair types, and it has worked perfectly well, and trust me, it stays till the next day. So I'm going to be using just a little bit depending on how soft or hard your hair is, in quotes. So I'm going to be using just a little amount, and I'm going to be doing just basically 2 to 3 swoops here, and maybe like 3 to 4 swoops here. And so let me start with this side. Basically apply a little of it. Apply every single ounce of the gel. If you feel like it's not enough, you can take more. I basically take a little bit of it and I make an L or a C kind of motion. I press down and take it in a C kind of motion. I basically swoop it to the side. And after applying the brush, after using the brush to make the C swoop or to make the swoop, I use my hands or my fingers to reinforce the swoop I have made. So I run over it with my finger again to make sure that what I've done stays well. And even if your hair is not easy to manipulate, you just have to keep going right and using your finger or your fingers to press it over and over and over again, and it's going to stay. So I'm just going to keep going over it until I get my desired shape. And then I use the brush to like press the ends down so that they don't fray up when I'm going out in the day. And that's basically it. I don't do much. It's very easy to do, and then I go on and do the rest. Start again. Apply the product on your hair. Use your hands or your fingers to run through them after applying or after making your swoop. This is swoop right here, and make it, and use my hands to hold them down or to reinforce it. And that's basically it. That's all. Doesn't take much to apply. Once again, for emphasis sake, take your product, apply it on your hair, press down with your brush on your hair and make the desired shape that you want to, and your hair will stay in place. And then use your finger to run over it for more, basically more security or more emphasis. And that's it. I'm basically done. Doesn't take time. It stays instantly. And your hair is slayed and laid. I'm going to go for the next part. See what I'm doing here. Applying with force, going slowly, then using my fingers to reinforce what I've done. And then I move on to the next side. Product, apply, then swoop slowly and use my finger to reinforce. Swoop slowly and use my finger to reinforce. Swoop slowly and use my fingers to reinforce. Yes. And also do it this way.
Always show up on time. They always make calls, always on that FaceTime. Something about when they're holding me late at night. It feels good but not right. I want love but not that bad. I want company but not that bad.
So once you're done with that, you open up your black gel, and then with your finger you take in a little bit of it, just very little, and then you use your finger to run over what you've done, and you make sure that you use like a light stroke. You lightly stroke them or stroke the edges with your hands or your fingers, sorry, because I don't want to scatter what you've already done. So you just use your finger to lightly rub over the edges you've already laid, and this is to prevent the white cast that I earlier mentioned that the hair wax gives. So this, just lightly run over the edges with your fingers and with your black gel. Don't forget the ends. Make sure not to get your ears or clean off from your ears when you're done. And that's it. You are basically done. As you can see here, the edges are slayed, and trust me, they are going to stay till tomorrow morning, as long as you don't like rest your head on something or you don't scatter it with your hands yourself. They are going to stay laid till the next morning, so you use your hands to wash them off. So like, this is what they look like. I don't know if you can see them. So this is the final product. Let me know what you guys think. Are they good? Whatever questions you have for me, leave them down in the comment section. I'm going to make sure to answer them all. So this is what it looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, as I said earlier, drop them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer it. You can, as I said before, you can get this product from your local beauty supply store, and they're very pretty cheap to get. You probably get them all these things for less than $5 or for less than 2,000 naira. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe if you have not done that already. Thank you guys so much. I love you and peace.